It's been raining for way too long. So you know what time it is. Time for some sourdough churros. Yum. Small pot, you're gonna have 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 cups of milk, salt. I use this little tiny spoon here, and you're also going to zest a lemon. You're gonna wait until it boils, and then you're gonna turn off the heat. Okay, so now there it is. You see, it's boiled. I like to transfer it over here. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to grab your flour, and as you pour in your flour, you want to whisk because you want to create a paste. It's about 2 cups and a half incorporated. And I love this tool. You can get it in Amazon. To make sure everything is incorporated. Now we're gonna crack the eggs in here. 2 eggs. You gotta make sure you whisk fast because your egg is going to cook really quick. So that's 1 egg. And I'm gonna do the other egg. There we go. Whisk real quick. Take my beautiful sourdough starter, and you're gonna put about 100 grams or 50 grams. It's my discard. This is what's gonna make it extra delicious. And whisk. And if you wanna add a little bit of sugar, you could also now add a little bit of vanilla. And mix 1/4 of sugar, 1/4 cup, that's all. This from Uruguay, South America, my country. But if you don't have one of this, all tools, all you need is a plastic bag, and you could cut the tip, and you could use a tip that you could find, the thickest one you could find. You could buy them at Dollar Tree. It looks something like this. You could use a tip. I forget what number is this. This is number 2, and you could get yourself a plastic bag from Dollar Tree. I like to cook mine in Crisco. Okay.